Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Kicking off the Tinker Day. It is 7:45 at night. We got a timing belt job to do on this car because the crank seal is leaking. So we got to pull all the timing belt stuff off, to pull the crank pulley off, to get to that crank seal, and then install the seal with my seal tool and put all the timing belt stuff back together, and that'll be done. And then we got 2 mounts on this car, so we're going to hopefully get done with this stuff maybe by 9 o'clock, or we're going to knock it off at 9. Been a long, stupid day, video editing and dealing with the DMV in Las Vegas. Everything off. Now I gotta either get a puller to get this crank pulley off, or I'm gonna try to pry it off because I don't have a pulley with me, I don't think. Let me try to pry this off without breaking anything and go from there. Took my long crowbar and I pried it up under the crank here against the subframe and bumped it several times. Then I put a screw in up here, put the pry bar up there, pumped it several times against this control arm to pull it out, and I hit the bottom again, pumped it several times to the top again, and poof, that thing came out. Didn't have to go to the store and get a puller. Be careful. Make sure you remember the orientation of how this came out, but it is key. See that side over there has a cog missing, and on the crank it's got a bump there. So when you're timing mark, this ridge right here points to your oil pump when your timing is set right. Anyway, you can see the leak on that seal, so I'm gonna put a drill on there and work on getting that seal out without damaging and scarring up the crank, and get the new seal and press it in. Took that small drill bit there, drilled it into that seal. Now I'm gonna put this screw in here and pull that seal out. Had to drill a couple of holes to get the one in the center for my screw. Started screwing the screw in, the seal started coming out, so I'm gonna put a rag under there, pull that seal out. The seal came out, as you can see, no screw on either side of it. And I'm going to look at it a little closer. I don't think this is a Volvo seal. I think it's some aftermarket seal, but we're putting in a Volvo seal. Well, the writing is on the wall. It says Erling. Somebody put an Erling seal in there some time ago. It's got at least 30,000 miles on it, so it'll last 2 years. There it is, folks. Volvo crank seal. And I got this tool from Swedish Car Parts. Engineered and designed specifically for this seal. I think this will also go on the cam of a red block. Put the seal on the tool, put the tool in position and twist it in and set the seal with the bolt. Then pull the bolt back off. And pull the tool out. And the seal should be set perfect. If you put this seal in without using a tool, you run a chance of tossing that inner spring and doing this job over. We got it all back together. Fire it up, make sure we don't have a leak, and go racing. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.